Dear students, today let us discuss with the ninth lesson, light. Okay, in this lesson, today's topic, let us discuss about how does light make us see things. How does light make us see things? So what happens here? As light falls on an object, it bounces first. It bounces off from the surface of the object. This light enters our eyes and the eyes sense it and send message to the brain. Finally, we are able to see the object. So what happens here? When the light falls on an object, so what happens? It bounces. So when it bounces, what happens? It reaches to our eyes. So when it reaches to us, from our eyes, it reaches to our brain. And the brain, it sends a message to our eyes. And then finally, we can see the object in that way. Understood? What happens in our eyes? Some sensory nerves are there. Some nerves are there which passes a message to the brain. So when those nerves, when they passes the message to the brain, they send back to the eyes. So when they send back to the eyes, at that time we are able to see the objects. In this way, we can see the objects. Understood? Now without light, we cannot explore the beauty of the nature or see anything at all around us. Without light, can we see anything? We can't see without light anything. Yes or no? Whatever is there surrounding us, beauty of the nature, whatever is there, we can't see anything without light. Without light, we can't see. Okay, next. See here, what happens here? First, what is the source of light here? So the source of light is daytime. It is sunlight. Yes or no? Daytime, what it is? This is sun. Sun is the source of light. Source of light. And what happens here? These rays, when it falls on an object, the sun rays, when it falls on an object, what happens? It reaches to our eyes. It reaches to our eyes. So when the sunlight reaches to our eye, what happens? From there again, where it passes? From there it passes to the brain. From there it passes to the brain, and the brain, it sends a message for us. The brain, it will send a message to us, and after sending the message, then we are able to see this object. In this way, we can see the object. Not all objects around us emit or produce light of their own. They are visible to us because of light that falls on them from other objects that have light of their own. The objects that are visible to us can be classified as luminous and non-luminous objects. So what they are saying here means here light. Light means here all the objects cannot produce their own light. Some objects we can see because of the light falling on them. Some objects they produce their own light. But some objects when the light, for example, a blackboard, duster, even ourselves also, yes or no? When light fall on the duster, then only we are able to see this object. Yes or no? When the light falls on the blackboard, then only we are able to see the blackboard. And some objects they emit light. Some objects they emit light. Like the sun. Sun is the natural source of light. Yes or no? Sun. And in the night time, in our house we are using now. What we are using? We are using bulb, LED. They are emitting light. Yes or no? When you on the button, light will be on. Yes or no? They give us light. Bulb, LED. Even for the cell phones also torch lights are there. Yes or no? Torch, like this, many examples are there. Some objects they emit light, but some objects they do not emit light. The objects that are visible to us, can be classified into as luminous and non-luminous objects. So in what base it is classified? It is classified on luminous and non-luminous objects. Two types. The first one is luminous object and the second one is non-luminous object. luminous object. The objects that are visible to our eyes can be classified into two types. They are luminous object and non-luminous object.